Welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention at comment section. In this video, you shall see bathroom design ideas for your home. It's probably not surprising to learn that bathroom makeovers have been the most popular renovation in the past 3 months. An amazing 49% of home improvements over this period have been from bathrooms compared to 16.6 per centimeter for kitchens. A large double shower in the center of the room separates the two sides. Central to the winning bathrooms and all bathrooms today is the tile choice, and this year large format Persian tiles are a strong favorite. They are more monolithic than the smaller tiles with fewer grout joints, and they have interesting patterns and texture. They look like natural stone. While tiles give a very sophisticated look, they can be more expensive to lay due to their size and handling, especially if you wish to book match a grain effect. There can also be more wastage. The bigger the tile, the bigger the wastage. And the recent trend is the use of natural stone not just on walls and in showers, but also on vanity tops and fronts. Liquid metal and another popular material for vanities. Metal in liquid form is sprayed onto a surface like paint to give a moody finish with a lot of visual depth. Another material finding favor is texture mesh, which can be overlaid on top of a lacquer on vanities of screens for a silken effect. And it seems the wall hang vanity is no longer as essential, with many new bathrooms featuring bespoke furniture style units. Walk-in wet area showers that are easy to clean are typically specific for modern bathrooms. Many people ask for all the shower heads, overheads, side showers and body jets instead of clear, using more colored glass including smoky glass that can add visual depth to space. Sometimes handles are simple cut out in the glass, and showers and bathtubs frequently both styles shop recess. Sculptural vessel basins and throws are still in demand for vanities, and even toilets appear more sleek and sculptured than ever before. Many people are now wanting sensor wash toilets that incorporate a bidet. Lighting is a key feature of the bathrooms that is often underestimated. A lot of people want to use pendants, but they need to be suitable for a wet room. They must be IP rated. The right lighting can really add mood and atmosphere, and it can range from task lighting through to atmospheric lighting. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for your bathroom design. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show link and enjoy watching the videos.